Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to activate iMessage in iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you want to activate your iMessage, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. Here just scroll down and look for the app section. Select apps. Now further scroll down and look for messages app here. And here once you find messages, you must have to select that. Just scroll down and you will get a toggle in front of the iMessage. So you must have to enable that toggle to activate your iMessage. So now simply tap on it and it will be enabled. You just have to wait for until it's waiting for activation. So once you have done, you have to simply select your mail address or your send and receive address here. Just select that and you can add or remove your send and receive mail address from here. So in this way, you can easily activate your iMessage on your iPhone or any iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.